There are a couple too that'll get confused for water moccasins out here. Now, a way you can tell that, if you do see that snake swimming on the top of the water and it dives underneath the water, it's not a water moccasin. Water moccasins do not go underneath the water. They only say swim on top. So if it goes underneath, it's kind of snake. It looks like them. On tour out here, I've never even seen a water moccasin. The only time I've seen one actually since I worked for Cajun Encounter was in our fuel yard. Went to go grab 2 gas tanks one morning. They had one behind them. It started to come my way. I dropped my tanks. I yelled, "Nope, rope," and I took off. You know what I mean? But, I do see them out here all the time when I'm hunting. You go step over a log, you look back, there's one curled up underneath the log. It is cold though. I don't really worry about them that much then. You see them a lot frogging. I don't know if any of y'all have ever had frog legs before though. But they're actually really good to eat too. Kind of like little chicken wings, with chicken drumsticks. Though. They're good though. If y'all see them down there, give them a shot too. You might like them. So try them out. But you can catch them out here. So how you catch them is the frogs come out to the banks at nighttime. They're eating all the bugs, and then frogs come out there. So you go lay on the front of the boat. You got a spotlight in one hand. Somebody driving you in. They drive you into the bank. You blind the frog. You grab them with your hand, or you can slap them with a paddle. And punch it away. It's fun. It's really good time. You drink a lot of beer too, like you said. I don't know if y'all get the routine here, but beer's every time. You know? So I can't tell you how many times I want to go grab a frog though, and jerk my hand back in the boat though, because there's a water moccasin sitting like around some cypress, like the little nubs coming out of the water and stuff like that. They can have the frog that night. They're not worth getting bit over by any means. So. This guy right here, I know it's hard to see though. This is an albino pterodactyl. This is about the only place they're still around. Most people call them great white egrets, but it's not as fun. So. In the early 1900s, the great white egret and the snowy egret were actually almost hunted to extinction. And the reason for that, though, is for plume feathers. They get these really pretty white plume feathers on them. Back in the day, though, plume feathers were a big sign of wealth. Ladies would take one, they'd stick it in their flapper hat. They made the boas and stuff out of them, too, as well. Well, the Micklehennies, so the brothers that started Tabasco, they actually opened up part of Avery Island. This is a conservation for the birds.